You just need to write in the chat exactly the same sentence. With OpLogic's help, I, write your name, will use my proficiency in English for what purpose?
I hope everybody is able to access the chat.
Yes.
Yes, we are able.
I'll request everyone to please take a minute and just type in the chat.
We can write two as well, right?
You can write as many you want, but find your area of interest.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
So Nisha, should I start going through?
Yes, please.
Yes, the Neshwar has mentioned he'll be using it for casual conversation.
Nice.
Yes, he has mentioned with OpLogic help, I, Rajiv, will be using my English proficient for job purpose. Correct. Yes. RK Web and Mobile has mentioned for business talk. Riya Sharma has mentioned with OpLogic help, I, Riya Sharma, will use my new proficiency in English for career and formal conversation.
Awesome. So now when you guys know your own purpose, that why you are gonna do this whole hard work. Yes, it will be hard work for 10 weeks. We will be telling you exactly what to do. And I can promise you after 10 weeks, you will never use that I'm not good with English excuse with anyone, anywhere. Are you ready? I'm gonna tell you how we are gonna do this. So, while we were doing this research that what are the current options available, and we wanted to create something which is more useful, because we genuinely believe that people should not take years and years into learning one language. So to figure that out, we reached out to some of the people who have joined other institutions, and we wanted to figure out how their experience was. Ashish, would you show us the videos? Now,
Sure,
some people know this institution, quite reputed one. It's not about which institute it is, but you would have heard this, that education system is not very good. And that is true, it is not. But what is the problem with it and how to fix that? We'll tell you today. Okay, let's see some videos here. You can share.
All right.
हेलो, मैं शिवानी ठाकुर। मैं आप सबको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि कुछ टाइम पहले मैं बेंगलोर में जॉब सर्च कर रही थी। मेरी स्पीकिंग अच्छी ना होने की वजह से मेरा इंटरव्यू क्लियर नहीं हो पा रहा था। फिर मैंने अपनी इंग्लिश को फ्लुएंट करने के लिए ज्वाइन किया, और ज्वाइन करने के बाद कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं हुआ।
हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ मनीष शर्मा। मैं आप सबके साथ अपना एक एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। मैं गारमेंट्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री में हूँ और हम लोग डोमेस्टिक मार्केट को सर्व करते हैं। लास्ट ईयर मैंने प्लान किया कि हम लोग इंटरनेशनल मार्केट भी सर्व करें, बट मेरे साथ क्या था, इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन एक बहुत बड़ी दिक्कत थी। उसको सॉर्ट आउट करने के लिए मैंने न्यूज़पेपर में एक ऐड देखी और ज्वाइन किया, बट बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगा। उन लोगों ने जो स्टडी मटेरियल हमें प्रोवाइड किया वो बिल्कुल भी यूज़फुल नहीं था, ना ही प्रैक्टिस के लिए कुछ एक्स्ट्रा हेल्प थी। अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इट वाज कंप्लीट वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम एंड मनी।
Why others fail, you have seen that. Why others are failing is because it is the system. It's not which institute you use, but the system is not working very well. And what system is not working very well is that everybody tried to teach you to write first and then read. And in the time when you're ready to speak, your mind is already in the loop of thinking about the grammar, and you're also thinking about where you're going right and wrong. And biggest mistake what everybody is doing is trying to translate in their head, and by that time they translate, the conversation is already moved ahead and you're every time lagging behind. So translation is definitely not the solution. So we will have to make the language as good as your mother tongue. Yes, you will start thinking in English, and that is how you start talking fast in English with others to keep up the pace. That's very important. So what we have done to correct it is this. First you will speak, then we will focus upon reading, and in the end writing. And why it is that, I'll tell you. We call the program as Learn English the Natural Way. And what is the natural way? The natural way is how we learn our mother tongue. You remember, or if you don't remember because you were just too young, when the kids are about 2 years of age, their parents start teaching them the language. And they don't give the notebook to them directly, do they? Have anyone's parent have given you a notebook to write ABC? No, right? What they do is they try to clear your pronunciation. They tell you, "Bacha, speak this. Try to say this." And by the age of 5, you are comfortably speaking your language. So if kids are taking 2.5 years or 3 years to learn a language, should we be taking that long? Now we are adults and we have the ability to learn much faster. We know our purpose as well. So should not it be much faster for us? So what we did here is, first, destroy translating. Never try to translate. That is the first thing that we do. So then how are we teaching it? We are teaching it in exactly the way we learn our mother tongue.